How to cut out image in Canva. Cutting out an image in Canva helps remove unwanted backgrounds or elements, allowing for more versatile and visually appealing design compositions. So I've just opened a blank canvas in here, and what I'm going to do is just try to find an image. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the elements, and then we're going to try to find somewhere in here. So here in the photos, we have here a lot of recommendations, but I'm gonna try to play with this one here. So as you can see, it has a background, right? You can see that there's kind of like a blur, and we're going to try to remove that one. Here, I'm just going to make this a bit bigger. Now let's close this one. Now what we are going to do is just click this one here, and we're going to click edit photo here at the top, and you should be able to see here BG remover, or it stands for background remover. If you're going to go ahead and click that one, it will process and remove that background. As you can see, it is now very clean, and you can use this for whatever you want. And congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to cut out an image in Canva. Upgrading to Canva Pro has been a game changer for people who are serious about getting top quality designs, even if they are beginner whose knowledge of designing is limited. It offers a suite of advanced design tools and exclusive templates that can elevate the quality of your projects. Should you be interested, click that link on the description box and the comment section below and enjoy amazing perks just for you. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it helps you out.